Hey guys, Chasing Paper 4196 back with another video, and today I wanted to show you guys how to hack your friends' worlds, but it's not like actually hacking. It's like a mod thing you can use for worlds, including your world, technically for servers too. But I do it sometimes in my friends' world, sometimes on servers. I don't abuse the thing. I just use it sometimes. But you guys probably know about this app. It's called Toolbox. I'm gonna load in here. We'll get into it. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're finally loaded into the App Store. So here's what you want to go. You want to go to Google Play, search it up, and type in Toolbox. As you can see, it'll pop up. Click on it. Boom, there you go. You got Toolbox right here. But I like the older version. So you guys could go ahead and install that. I'm gonna go to AppToy real quick and see if they allow me to downgrade it where I can use it. Let's see if they let us downgrade Toolbox, guys. Alright, here's we're going downgrade Toolbox. Alright, guys. Let's see if this works. It might not work, but it's worth a try. So I'll be right back until it's done. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's open it and see if it works. Okay, you cannot downgrade it. It doesn't allow you to do it. See, unsupportive Minecraft version. Go to Google Play. Let's go to Google Play, guys, and update it. So apparently we can't do that, so we have to update it because we're not allowed to downgrade it. I guess. But let's wait for this thing to load. Hop into it. Loading. Alright, and the Toolbox should be done. Let's go to Toolbox. As you guys know, that is not gonna give you back your. Oh wait, I have to redo it. As you guys know, your skins will be refreshed, so you have to sign into Xbox Live if you have it, and then you have to re-get your skin back. And it resets all your notifications besides your real Minecraft. Only in Toolbox. It'll reset all your notifications and stuff. So make sure you guys turn all that up too, or whatever you guys want to do with it. Alright. As you guys see, it looks like regular Minecraft. Alright, let's go to my skin. Alright, let's have it to Xbox Live. Be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Now it's saying me into Xbox Live, so I have to wait until it gets done. Then we'll be able to see one of my friends are online, and we're gonna troll them with the app. Not like bad trolling, like funny trolling and stuff. But I'm not gonna over abuse it though. My internet is so crappy too because my stuff is loading so slow. So I'll be right back, guys, again. Okay, guys, I finally logged into Xbox Live. I had to do all this other stuff because it's storming my way. We're having a flood soon somewhere in Pittsburgh. So my internet was kind of bad for a second because it was acting up. Put this on 55. Yeah, that's good. Buttons on 64. Turn all this off. Yeah, this helps my Minecraft from stop lagging sometimes. That's why sometimes I keep this on. Guys. Keep it on. Alright. Once I'm done with this, guys, I'll get it right to it. Just give me a second. I have to. No, I think that's good, actually. Yeah, I think that's good. Let me see. Yeah, this is good right here. Alright. Now I'm going to load in to Minecraft. And my friend's not online right now. So I'm just going to create a random world. And test this out. Easy. She has to be on, guys. Pretend you guys don't see this. Alright, got that in. Then we're going to just spawn in here. Bam, then you have Toolbox in your world. And you click on the little sword to get whatever you want. As you can see, if you look down on the level XP, you can cheat and turn it up. But if you set it to max, it goes all the way up. You can put on fly and all that. You can fly. That's the cool stuff about it. You can fly. Yeah, and you can type in items. I'm gonna type in Toolbox. See if it actually works. Toolbox. No. Okay. Apparently, typing Toolbox won't work. But DI, if you type in DI, there'll be diamond armor and all that stuff. And you can equip all of it, like a pro. You use up on that pro armor. And they'll be like, oh my god, how'd you get all that diamond armor, bruh? Be like, because I'm a pro. And the best thing, if you go to cheats, you could turn on instant kill. Instant kill. Look at this. Punch to my fist. I should probably put on keep inventory. And you can also put on keep inventory too. I think it's at, what's it at? It's on world. So you can put on keep inventory. I can drop items. Player damage, take that off so you can't hit other players. Enable PvP. I'll turn it back on. That's if I turn out player damage, the mobs can't hurt us. Some good stuff right there, isn't it? Wait, so let me see something real quick. Yeah, if you have player damage off, you take no damage from nothing. And then people will think you're in creative. So you might want to be careful with this. No damage. Wait, so if I could turn on. Okay, but anyway, so yeah, you could do all this amazing other stuff. But the thing is, if you have Omelet Arcade and you try to join the server, they won't pop up on Toolbox. But you could join your friend's game if it's not then on Xbox Live on Toolbox. So yeah, those are the things you can do. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Guess what else you could turn on? What's that? It's in potion. You can turn on this. The power of leap. I want to step 16. Turn it to leap. That makes me jump really high because I'm a bunny. I'm a bunny. What? Ooh, money up. That's what bunnies do every day. Now look. So we're gonna leave this world and try to make a regular server world with no cheats and see if it works without cheats. There's 100% chance that it might not work with cheats off. It might not work with cheats on, so we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. TT. No wait. GG. Man. VIPBOY. Alright. Make sure it's easy. No cheats on. Alright, let's hop into it. Let's press play. We're going to the movies. Smash that play button. Alright, now we're loaded in with no cheats on. Oh yeah, and by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, make sure you subscribe to okay. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first one that hears I'm recording or live on YouTube. That's really helping my channel and supporting it very good. So make sure you guys do that for me and stuff. You know. And if you guys have a YouTube channel, just leave it in the description of this video, and then I'll subscribe to you too as well. Alright, now let's get to this thing to see if it works. Alright, we can still use this. We can still fly. Can we still... Okay, we can still kill ourselves. Okay, so we can still fly, right? Now let's see if we can add items. Yeah, we still can add items, so... But I think if you add items, it turns on cheats, I think. So you still can add items. Let me see if cheats is on now. Cheats still not on, but you can still add items. I think this is a way for you to get achievements. But you still can add items and all that. So let's get to... The thing about it is you cannot put on... Let me see. Well, you cannot put on keep inventory because cheats are not on. So yeah, if you die, you're still gonna leave all your stuff. But I think there's a way I think you can still turn off. I think you can still turn off player damage. Or no, you need to keep on. Cause look, if I go to this and go to world. I need to cheat off all of these. So yeah, the thing is you can't turn off player damage. And you can't turn off insta-kill either. I think. Oh wait, no. Wait, can you? Oh yeah, you can still... Oh my god, you can turn off insta-kill? The best thing ever. Alright. Now, here's what we're gonna do with survival. First, we're gonna insta-kill this chicken right here. Second, we're gonna punch this other chicken. Sorry. Alright, now let's look for some more items we can find. Like I might get an achievement for this. Alright, let's see. Get all 64 of these. Put on anything. I can't. Just come here. Okay. I think you could also teleport as well. Let's turn off the map, guys. I don't know if I can see that. Enable mini map. Mobs. Alright, let's turn this off. Let's keep this on. Alright. As you can see, the map is off. Now we're gonna see if we can put this at nighttime. Okay. We can still make it dark day with cheats off. So put it at nighttime. You guys can see. Alright, now this, I wonder what happened if it still confused me. You suck. Okay, I still take damage. But that one hit kill is still official right there. I don't really need to take a spoon. Let's just go in here and take them. Alright, let's put. I don't know why my level keeps going down. Let's fly up here and kill this creeper. Hey, creeper. Oh, so easy. Alright. What else can we do? Okay, guys, we're not going to OP our level because it keeps going down. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, we can turn on auto sprint. We just sprint automatically. As you guys can see, you sprint automatically with this. Everything that I can hit with something. Dead. Boom, everything around me. Alright, let's see if I can see my friend. Oh, my friend's online. We're gonna spam it and see if he'll join. 50% chance he might join. That's when we drop iron. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do, guys. Alright. We're gonna go to, how do I clear? Oh yeah, remove. Can I just clear like the whole thing? Remove. I could get more coal, so I'll just remove this. Remove and remove. Alright. Let's get some wood. Alright, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna get a lot of wood. And then start building the house. Build this house. Trying to get out of here. I'm trying to build a house. He ran away. Wait, I wonder if I can switch to I wonder if I can switch to creative. Oh guys, I can switch to creative. I can switch to creative too. Oh, this is so fun. I don't really need to switch to creative. Oh yeah, I'm back on fly. I don't really need creative since I can fly in survival and get blocks. Oh, but I still have to break stuff though. Alright, let's make this house. Come on, creeper. Let's put this on peaceful for now. Set it to daytime for now. So I get that big house. So I get to make it a house. This house is gonna be big. Alright. Let's keep building. Alright. That's what the stairs is gonna be. They're gonna be right there. Alright, let's finish. Let's keep building this. But yeah, as you guys can see, when I'm almost done with my house, barely, almost done. I'm nowhere near done with my house yet, and I'm going to need to get more wood eventually. I hate when it does this. Keep doing. Keep doing it. Like, say if my friend is in a game, right? I could just get random team blood and stuff. But I'll never do that because I'm not a jerk. Just beat it. Just beat it. Beat it. I did it again. Just beat it. Oh my fucking god. Stop doing it. Are you fucking serious? This shit is so fucking annoying. They need to fix this. That fucking glitch. It's on Minecraft too. They need to fix it. No, fuck that shit. I'm not fixing it. Some bullshit. It's getting on my nerves. Finally, it worked. Oh, this whole time I was placing blocks. Alright, look at how it was breaking down. It's like, oh yeah, fucking what? Collect. Ah! Alright, we got the wood. We got the house. We got the house. I don't even mean to press pause. I hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna end it here and probably record tomorrow because I'm gonna see my friends on. But just subscribe to my channel, leave a like down below, leave a comment and stuff to let me know that if you guys want me to make more of these videos, then I will for you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Peace out. Peace out, guys. Alright. Peace out.